Hey Molly, thanks for reaching out on Facebook. It's easier to explain this, at least like dip your toe in the water on our automations by sending you a video. So everything that we have really stems from like our onboarding forms here on our website, which you can go and visit anytime. Just click like get a business proposal, and those are our custom onboarding forms that we use that we also sell to other insurance agents to customize it for their agency, but it all flows back into the CRM that we built for ourselves. Here's an example of like what it can do. So this person, they just got this email 4 hours ago. It's 3:06 today. Um, Deborah, we're always looking for ways to make things easier for our customers since you're new to MM. You'll want to know about our app. It's the quickest way to get what you need. Of course, your call is always welcome. Here's the mobile and here's the desktop version. Deborah, it looks like I sent this email, okay, but I didn't. Deborah bought from us a week ago. At the 7-day mark from when we mark her policy sold, she gets this email. Same is true with claims. If somebody has a claim, at the 7-day mark, they get an email that says, by now you should have heard from your claim rep. If you hadn't, let us know. Here's the information about your claim, and it pulls it all from the CRM. All this is happening in the background with Monday.com's CRM, which is what we use and what we built it out with. But the point is like we're using social media to be a voice of education and advisement and using that to feed the system. But then the automations that happen in the background are just adding to the white glove service that we do. So like if you watch one of my YouTube videos, let's just pull one up. This will show for you. Okay, so like that's an example of a YouTube video that I use. Um, let's make sure your video came back here. Um, and in that YouTube video, in the like description section is a link to our onboarding forms to get insurance or ask an insurance question people want to hear. So like it all is flowing back into itself. One of my favorite ones, and I'm kind of old school, but I like giving birthday cards to people and sending them a free coffee. So on the back side of this, I write, "Hey Bill, happy birthday. Enjoy a free coffee on us. Starbucks isn't the only one to give away free coffee on your birthday." But like, how do you remember that across thousands of customers? So somebody in my office hand writes those cards all the time, but we get the system to, send us this email. Just says, "Hey, there's an upcoming birthday for Dave Kornacki. Here's his address, phone number." So like the person in our office can just take that, write the card, there's the address, boom, send it out. And it's happening like we're sending out birthday cards every day, but the system's telling us who to send them to. That's the point of having it all woven together. It is complicated, but like once you get it woven together, it can create this white glove customer experience that is really hard to beat. And that's what I'm interested in so that I can sell insurance for another 20 years. If this is of interest to you, we have other tools that we're making available to other insurance agents because let's face it, I'm not going to sell to your customers. You're not going to sell to mine. I don't know them. People buy on relationship. So how can I help you reach more of your customers and do it in a better way that they stay sticky with you? We've offered some of these products. You can follow us on Instagram. Scott and Toby Live is the tag name, and it's on the video below. Hope this helped.